Hello everyone, welcome to the Ashok IT. In this video, I'm here to tell you about the bootcamp details that we are going to start for the GCP data engineer. So in this one, we are going to start with the module 1 where I'm going to tell you about the GCP introduction, what is the data engineering and what is the role of a data engineer, and I will tell you about what is Google Cloud Platform, the overview of the Google Cloud Platform. So why we need to learn the Google Cloud Platform? And if we learn the Google Cloud Platform, what are the roles offered, how the job opportunities outside, and if I wanted to do any certifications in the GCP, what is the path? So in the module 1, we are going to discuss all of those things. And after that, so if I wanted to work with the data engineering services in the Google Cloud Platform, what are the interfaces available? In the module 2, we are going to see about GCP interfaces. In GCP interfaces, we have like console, Cloud Shell, and Cloud SDK. So in detail, we are going to see how to work with these of each of these methods. And after that, we are going to start with our module 3. In module 3, we are going to see about GCP locations. If I wanted to create a resource in the GCP, or if I wanted to deploy any resource in the GCP, we need to have a proper knowledge on the GCP locations. So in this one, we are going to see about what is regions, what is zones, what is the selection criteria for region and zone whenever we wanted to create a resource, and what is the importance of it. Okay, so that is what we are going to see in the module 3. And in our fourth module, we are going to cover GCP IAM and admin concepts. In this one, security perspective or access control perspective, if I wanted to provide an access to the users or a group of users, how that can be done in the GCP. So that can be done using the IAM and admin. So here we are going to cover what is identities, what is roles, how to define the roles, what is policy, how to create and update the policy, and resource hierarchy. So all of these details we are going to see in a detail. And after that, the basic knowledge on the compute options also I'm going to tell you about, that is in the module 5, such as what is compute engine, what is compute engine in the GCP, what is Kubernetes in the GCP, what is app engine, what is the use of app engine. So what is this compute engines, what are these compute options, what are the use cases for each and every compute option, we are going to cover in this module 5. And after that, we are going to start with the GCP data engineering services. I will tell you about what is cloud storage, and if you wanted to work with cloud storage, how to create a bucket. And if I wanted to create a, if I wanted to work with unstructured data, how we are going to deal with the cloud storage, we are going to see. Similarly, if I wanted to work with Cloud SQL, that is, sir, I wanted to create a MySQL database or a SQL Server database, how we can able to work with the Cloud SQL, I am going to tell you. And similarly, what is Bigtable, how to work with a semi-structured kind of a data, no SQL databases. So that is what is Bigtable. And what is BigQuery and how to work with the BigQuery, how to create a table, how to create a data set, how to work with the multiple data sets, how to create a view, what is view, all of those details we are going to see in the BigQuery. And similarly, sir, I wanted to work with the Spark and Hadoop system. And do we have any service in the GCP? Yes. So we can use the Dataproc. So Dataproc is a fully managed Apache Spark and Hadoop cluster. Here we can able to create the cluster, how to work with the Dataproc cluster, how we can able to create the PySpark jobs. I am going to tell you about all of those things. Similarly, what is data flow? And the overview of the data flow, how we can able to use the Apache Beam data flow, all of those details we will see here. And similarly, what is Cloud PubSub? How we can able to use it for the streaming data ingestion. So what is topic here? What is subscription? What are the publishers? What are the subscribers? We are going to see here. And in the cloud workflow orchestration tool, we are going to see what is Cloud Composer and what is Airflow. Similarly, if I wanted to work with a data integration tool, in Google Cloud Platform, we have a data fusion, which is a fully managed data integration service. Okay, you can able to create an end-to-end ETL pipelines here with the help of the data flow. And one more topic, that is Terraform, which is a complementary topic for this particular bootcamp. So I'm going to tell you about what is Terraform. Using the Terraform, how you can able to create the infrastructure, how you can able to manage the infrastructure, I am going to tell you. So this is all about the course content for this bootcamp, guys. So this is the high level topics that we are going to cover for the bootcamp. And after that, So some people will be having some kind of a doubt, what is the prerequisite for this course, for this particular bootcamp. So for the bootcamp guys, I'm telling you, you don't need to have nothing for the prior knowledge. You don't need to have any knowledge for prior. So you can able to directly attend this course, because I'm going to start this course from the very basic onwards, so that you can able to understand easily. So you will be having here, you are getting two things here. You are also getting about the knowledge of Google Cloud Platform, the basic concepts of the GCP, which is very useful for you. And one more thing is also, we are also covering the data engineering concepts. So this is all about the course content and prerequisite for this particular bootcamp, guys. Okay. So hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Please share this particular video and subscribe to this particular channel for more updates. Thank you all.